A professional carpet cleaning from Stanley Steemer is a great way to keep your home cleaner and healthier. An application of carpet protector at the time of your cleaning is a great way to keep your home cleaner and healthier longer. Our protector is applied directly to your carpet right after it's been cleaned. It literally creates a protective coating which covers each carpet strand, filling the pores and preventing dirt, debris, or liquids from attaching to them. In other words, creating a protective shield for your carpet. Repeated vacuuming and daily foot traffic can wear away this coating, leaving your carpet vulnerable to traffic patterns and stains. Adding carpet protector after each cleaning, especially in high traffic areas, will help extend the life of your carpet and make vacuuming more effective. Our protector works great on furniture too. Call 1-800-STEAMER or visit StanleySteamer.com